The role of loss data collection in the operational risk management framework is instrumental in enhancing an organization's ability to identify, quantify, and mitigate operational risks. Loss data collection involves gathering and analyzing information on past operational losses and incidents to gain insights into potential risk exposures, root causes, and trends. We will now explore the significance of loss data collection in the operational risk management framework and how it supports risk identification, risk assessment, risk mitigation, decision-making, and regulatory compliance. Risk identification and categorization. Loss data collection is a primary tool for identifying operational risks within an organization. By systematically collecting data on past losses and incidents, organizations can identify patterns and trends related to specific operational activities, processes, or business units. This information helps categorize risks based on their source, such as technology, human factors, external events, or process deficiencies. Categorization allows organizations to prioritize risks, allocate resources effectively, and focus on areas with the highest potential impact. Quantifying loss magnitude. Loss data collection provides essential inputs for quantifying the magnitude of operational losses. By analyzing historical loss data, organizations can estimate the financial impact of specific types of incidents. This quantification helps in setting appropriate risk tolerance levels, determining risk capital requirements, and understanding the potential impact on profitability and capital adequacy. It also aids in the development of financial models and stress testing scenarios for risk measurement and regulatory reporting purposes. Risk assessment and scenario analysis. Loss data collection is invaluable for conducting risk assessments and scenario analysis. Historical loss data forms the basis for estimating the likelihood and severity of future events, allowing organizations to assess their risk exposure more accurately. By incorporating loss data into scenario analysis, organizations can simulate potential risk scenarios, stress test their risk mitigation strategies, and evaluate the effectiveness of existing controls. This aids in the development of proactive risk management measures and contingency plans to address various risk scenarios. Trend analysis and early warning indicators. Loss data collection enables trend analysis, helping organizations identify emerging risks and early warning indicators. By tracking the frequency and severity of incidents over time, organizations can detect changes in risk profiles and recognize potential issues before they escalate. Early warning indicators allow for timely intervention and the implementation of preventive measures to mitigate potential losses. Improving risk mitigation strategies. By analyzing loss data, organizations can identify common root causes and weaknesses in their operational processes and controls. This information helps in fine-tuning risk mitigation strategies, enhancing controls, and improving operational processes. Insights gained from loss data can lead to the implementation of best practices to prevent future incidents, thereby reducing the likelihood of recurrence. Enhancing decision-making. Loss data collection supports informed decision-making across the organization. Decision-makers can use historical loss data to assess the risks associated with new products, services, or business initiatives. By understanding the historical performance of specific activities, management can make better informed decisions and set risk-adjusted priorities to align with the organization's risk appetite. Facilitating regulatory compliance. Regulators often require organizations to report operational risk data as part of compliance requirements. Loss data collection is essential for meeting these regulatory demands. Accurate and comprehensive loss data assists in fulfilling regulatory reporting obligations, such as Basel II and Basel III requirements for operational risk measurement and capital calculation. Compliance with these regulations helps maintain the organization's credibility with regulators and stakeholders. Supporting loss forecasting and budgeting. Loss data collection supports loss forecasting and budgeting processes. By analyzing past loss data, organizations can forecast potential losses for the coming periods, aiding in setting aside sufficient capital reserves for operational risks. This enables organizations to develop more accurate budgeting strategies and allocate resources appropriately to address potential risk exposures.